What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. An update here on net gas, gold, silver, and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So, in today's video, let's start our analysis with fundamentals and technical factors as well. And if you remember, I've already made a video how to trade commodities, natural gas, gold or silver, whatever, in combination of technical and fundamental factor. And I've shown you some live example in that video. So feel free to check that video out. It is linked in the description and it is also linked in my playlist. So starting with fundamentals and starting with the report which we are expecting tomorrow. So right here we have a report that is expected, which is here, and this report, the forecast is bearish, mean it is more than expected. So what if the reports come more than expected? Now the previous report was less right here, and this one is more than expected right here. Increase in natural gas, if it's more than expected, it implies a weaker demand and bearish for natural gas. Now if you look here, the last report on 14th of March at this time was less than expected, less than the forecast right here. And what happens if the forecast is less than expected? If the forecast is less than expected right here, it implies a greater demand and bullish for a natural gas. So if you look here, this was a forecast candle, and right here after some consolidation, and remember the price never react instantly if it's not a very big or major news event. Again, I've made a video how to trade news and have example of natural gas especially there, so make sure you check that out so that you can understand this in more depth. Now at this point we're going to talk about fundamentals and in combination of technical as well. So this news candle fuel the price up, and right here the price hit a next level of resistance. So there was a big push up when we had this news candle. Now this time the forecast is more than the previous storage report. And what does it mean? If it's more than previous report, if the number came, let's say, as same as a forecast, so means it will be more than the previous numbers. And what happens? The increase in natural gas more than expected, weaker demand, and the price will then likely fall. So if the numbers, let's say, comes up as 6, 7, 8 or whatever, we get above 5B, in that case that will be bearish for natural gas. If the number come less than 5B, let's say it comes up in minus, and then it will be a significant difference if it comes up in minus. In that case the price will push up, because in that case we have a greater demand and bullish for natural gas. So now let's do a combination of technicals and fundamental factors. Now you know what to expect from the report. Report is now forecast as more than previous number, means bearish for natural gas. So at this point we are still ranging, the natural gas is still ranging and formed a little channel right here. All we need a breakout above to go long till the next level of resistance, which is right up there. Now if the forecast is as it is, or it's a bearish forecast, in that case, if you remember my weekends video, feel free to check that out. I've said that I will look at this double bottom pattern to take my long trade. So it won't be bad if the numbers is bearish, because we are not in any sort of trade. We have no condition, and without condition we are not taking any trade. So tomorrow we're going to see how it goes, and then we're going to take our decision. Now coming to the technical factors right here. Now what happened if the number, let's say the forecast is less than expected? If the numbers are less than expected, it means it will be a greater demand and a bullish for natural gas. So no need to get panic. In that case it is still good for us. We will then break above 50 EMA, and then we will have a direction of a price to pull back, formed a bullish engulfer, and keep on taking longs as the price is already trading in this channel. In that case we will have a confirmation the price is now broken above. With the pullback we're going to look for a pullback entry bullish and keep on taking long till we are in this anchor level right here. So these are the numbers you need to look at, wait for technicals and possibly a fundamental signal as well. If we are broken below with the news fuel the price lower, in that case we have this zone ready, which is right here, the rejection box, and a major zone in green, which is right here 1.573, that goes to 1.676, from where we're going to look for our buy trade. Now not to forget, on a weekly time frame, I'm still looking at my weekly candle, which is here on Ovanda. If this candle closed as a green candle, now this is something for the long-term trader. Next week this candle will close. If that happens, we have a signal that price will then bounce massively from here. So keep looking for that. These are the conditions now you need to look at in case you are brand new to this channel. all you need to do, just mark your rejection box here on capital.com, which is right here, the number in blue. Here on Nemex, if you are trading on this platform, we have a number right here in blue. And here on Oanda, like me, I personally trade on Oanda for natural gas, it is right here, the number in blue. All you need to do is just mark your zones and wait for the price to either form a double bottom pattern from this rejection box without a candle to close below this low. If that happens, we will still be intact with a bullish trend unless we are in this green zone. If the price dramatically forms a bullish engulfer in the lower level, I'm still gonna go long, but with a valid bullish entry or a valid double bottom entry in the lower level of this support area. So keep looking for that. These are the conditions now I'll be looking at. Combine both fundamentals and technical factors. I do not trade with the news candle. If the news come bullish or bearish, I don't normally straight away enter. I just wait for the price to cool down, give me a direction what to do. Either we're going to look up or either we're going to look down for my buy trades or for my sell trades. That is what I need to look. Conditions are very important in trading. Once you have a conditions, only then we're going to look for our next trade. Next we have gold. Gold is struggling to break above this flag pattern. Now all I want to see a breakout above with the close of this candle. If we have a close of this candle, that is an entry, aggressive entry from this flag pattern, and then stop loss can be below this pattern if you want to take this as an entry. Otherwise I can't see a valid reason for a pullback entry at this point. But aggressive entry, which is right at a 50% retracement with your buy limit order, take profit, can be 1 ATR or 2 ATR, is totally up to you. I've managed it till 1.618 retracement, which is quite risky and quite high. So maximum I would go 2 ATR if I want to manage my trade. So for now, if you have a breakout above, that is a pattern, price will push up from here. Otherwise, wait for the price to break out above or below to see our direction. If broken below, then we will be below 50 EMA, and then we can start to look for the pullback entry bearish. But again, if you're an aggressive trader, that is your entry, stop loss can be below. In that case, you'll have to wait for the price to then push up. If you have a dramatic push up, push down, this is an area right here in red from where we can get a possible bounce out of, and this is a major area from where we can get a possible bounce out of, which I've mentioned in my yesterday's video. In case you missed it, a zone is 2056.50, goes up to 2071.16, from where we're going to get a massive bounce if we have price to push down. Now next we have silver. I'm still looking at this zone for my possible aggressive entry is 24.26, that goes to 24.66, from where if we get a push down followed by bullish engulfer or double bottom pattern, in that case I'm gonna go long. If we have a dramatic push up, a zone above, which is right here 25.47, that goes to 26.04, from where we're going to look for a sell trade with bearish engulfers, double top, inverted hammers, 382 candles bearish for my next trade. Otherwise, if I see a valid pullback entry bullish above 50 EMA, in that case I'm still gonna go long. So keep looking for that. Once we have a conditions, only then we're gonna take our trades. Next we have crude oil. We are now in a process of a pullback, which is fine. If I see a next red and a bullish green candle, engulfing candle, in that case we have a valid buy signal, and we can expect 1 ATR, which is right here the number, whatever the entry candle is. Hover over your entry candle and see what the ATR is coming up. If we have a condition, we're gonna go long using 1 ATR. If you want to manage it, you can also manage it till this recent anchor level. So keep looking for that. Once we have a condition, only then we're gonna go long, only looking for pullback entry bullish until we are above 50 and 20 EMA. If there is no condition, if you have a dramatic fall to the zone, which is 78.06, that goes to 79.97. If we have a dramatic fall followed by bullish engulfers, double bottom, that is also my zone to take my next buy trades. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If yes, hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green the rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.